So what makes a great video? Are you confused about creating videos for your YouTube, Facebook and Instagram? Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Shankar Balochi, and today in this video we're going to learn how to create videos for your YouTube, Facebook and Instagram in few simple steps. So stick together till the end. So before we go ahead, please subscribe to the channel so when I come with these marketing videos you get notified, and if you're on YouTube, press the bell icon. Tip number 1 is that your video should be appealing. It should touch mind and heart of the people you're trying to address to. There should be why and how of someone. So for like in this video, I'm trying to address to the people who are trying to create content for their videos. So find a problem in your industry, make a video on it, try to express your emotions to the people and the effort that you're trying to put that in that video. So second tip is a question that you have to ask yourself while choosing a topic and while creating a video, that why somebody will share your video. Is this video funny? Is it solving some problem? Is it some kind of a life hack, or you trying to solve a day-to-day problem of someone? If you have this answer, your video will be shareable. So to choose a topic, try to find out the pain in the day-to-day life of the people of your industry. Tell them how you are solving that problem and tell them in a very step-by-step process that how they can solve that problem, and your video will be engaging. So the tip number 3 is that your video should be native to the platform on which it is appearing. By native I mean that it should follow the rules and the culture of the platform on which you are going to post it. For example, if you are creating a video on a YouTube and a Facebook, it should be 16:9 in a ratio, because it is a landscape mode and YouTube and Facebook prefer this mode. If you shoot a video on a YouTube on a portrait mode, it will appear with a black screen. So it will not be a good user experience for your viewers. But if you're creating a video for Snapchat and maybe about story for your Instagram, then it should be 16:9 in this manner. It should be portrait. It should be 9:16. So in a way that you should think in form of a user, that how it will appear to the user. Also, while creating videos for YouTube, you should take care of intro and outro. In YouTube, it is about subscribing the channel, and similarly on Instagram and Facebook, it is about following, so that you can edit your video according to the platform on which you are going to post it. So make your video native. Tip number 4 is that stand out. And the question is that how are you going to stand out when there are so many bloggers and putting a lot of content every day? The only thing that you should do and you can do is about sticking to your consistency. So by consistency, I did not only mean by having a fixed number of videos in a regular period of time, but it should be about a fixed niche also, so that people will accept you as the expert of that niche. For example, if I'm putting video on the digital marketing, on this channel, I will be putting only about digital marketing. I will not advertise about my other products and services. And with this consistency, people will accept you as an expert of that industry, and you will be able to stand out in that industry, and people will follow you for that topic, and they will subscribe to you and they will engage with you because they will accept you as an expert of that industry. So these are the 4 steps that you should follow to generate a great content for your social media and for YouTube channel. And the question of the day is that you tell me about what are the different ways to generate great content in the comment section below, and we will check it out. So if you like this video, comment on it, like it, share it and tell it to people.